welcome to Whiteboard Lessons by Portuguese.com. Today we're going to talk about top Portuguese verbs. First, let's see the vocabulary, but this time I'm going to show you the verb and then the conjugated form for eu, I. First one is comer, comer, and como, como, eu como, I eat. Beber, beber, and bebo, eu bebo. Beber and bebo means drink. Ver, ver, and vejo, eu vejo. Ver means see, and vejo, I see, or I watch. Next one is ouvir, ouvir, and ouço, eu ouço. That means listen. Next one is ir, ir, and vou, eu vou. That means go. Next is comprar, comprar, and compro, eu compro. That means buy. Next one, jogar, jogar, and jogo, eu jogo. That means play. Pay attention to the pronunciation and intonation in Portuguese. Jogo, jogar, and jogo. Okay? Jogo means game, and jogo means I play. Also pay attention that jogar means to play a game, not to play an instrument, for example. Next we have falar, falar, and falo, eu falo, means say, speak, or talk. Next is ler, ler, and eu leio, leio, means read. Next is escrever, escrever, and escrevo, eu escrevo. That means to write. And last one is fazer, fazer, and faço, eu faço. That means to do or to make in Portuguese. And last but not least, let's see the vocabulary we also learned today. Música, música means music. Água, água means water. And uma maçã, uma maçã means an apple. The dialogue today is: o que você faz? Eu ouço música. O que você faz? What do you do? Eu ouço música. I listen to music. O que você faz? Eu ouço música. You're talking about the present tense. Let's see a few more examples. O que você faz? Eu bebo água. Eu bebo água. I drink water. O que você faz? Eu como uma maçã. I eat an apple. Eu como uma maçã. Okay, so as we saw, the pattern for today is really easy. That's eu, and then the verb. This verb should be conjugated to eu, I, in the present form in this case, and then the object. I, verb, object. For example, eu bebo água. Eu como uma maçã. Eu ouço música. Now the culture insight. So we actually have two ways of saying to drink in Portuguese. The first one is the one that we learned today, beber. Beber. The other one is tomar. Tomar, to take. Tomar. We also use tomar to say things like eu tomo café da manhã. I eat breakfast in English. But in Portuguese, that's I take breakfast. For example, do you remember how to say I, eu, and how to say listen, ouvir. Do you remember how to say I listen? Eu ouço. And how to say music? Música. Do you remember how to say I listen to music? Eu ouço música. And how to say eat? Comer. Do you remember how to say drink? Beber. And how to say see? Ver. Do you remember how to say go? Ir. And how to say buy? Comprar. Do you remember how to say play? Jogar. And how to say speak? Falar. Do you remember how to say read? Ler. And how to say write? Escrever. Do you remember how to say do? Fazer. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.